Good morning, class. So, welcome all of you to the new session of 2021. So, today, as I can foresee that all of you are in class 12B. Congratulations for reaching class 12B from class 11. Though we have not yet met, I have this feeling that definitely we will be meeting this year. And we will have a fruitful year where we can study, where I can help you with your class, with your subjects. So keeping this in mind, so as you all know, I'm going to teach you hospitality management. So we are all very optimistic that soon the classes will resume in school. Till then, we will have to work out with online classes. So in the beginning, as I know, and especially for this subject, we don't have a particular book. So like last year, I'll be uploading notes for you on WhatsApp, and sometimes I'll be sending you audio lectures also on WhatsApp for those of you who are in the group. And in case you have difficulty in following, you can contact me, and hopefully we will all be in school soon. Keeping that in mind, today as well as I'll be uploading in the WhatsApp group the syllabus that we have to follow. Mainly the class 12 syllabus that we follow is divided mainly into two major portions. One is the management part, that is what all management skills are to be adopted in the hospitality sector. Then, how will you care for your customer, and how will you welcome the guests, what is the new trend in tourism in our country, the new trends in the hospitality sector that is being followed. And finally, the second part of the syllabus mainly deals with food and beverage section. That is the operational areas of hotels. Food production, food and beverage service, front office, accommodation. So everything concerning food and beverage will form a major part of the second part of the syllabus. And as you all know, the theory paper is of 70 marks. Practicals definitely is going to be conducted hands-on, and that is of 30 marks. And mainly in practicals, we have it from the food and beverage section. That is where you will be taught knife skills, and after learning a few knife skills, cold cooking will be done. So that will be quite enjoyable, where we will learn to make salads, chaats. Then we will learn how to make sandwiches, then induction cooking, but no fire. Then finally, after learning how to cook the food, simple ones of course, we will then move on to how to set up a table, how different table layouts are there, what is the standard operating procedure for laying out different table layouts, and what all phrases are to be used in the hospitality sector. All this will be taught to you. And I hope this year we will be able to do the practicals, unlike the previous year where we were hardly able to meet. So keeping all this in mind, I hope this is going to be a fruitful year with your cooperation, and we would like to have all of you in class, and that is very regular. Please attend school regularly. Even you must be quite fed up of sitting at home like us. So in the same manner, we would like all of you to come over to school as soon as it opens, so that together we can finish the syllabus and have an enjoyable classroom like we always do. Keeping all this in mind, I'll be sending you the syllabus as fast as I can. Then accordingly, I will be uploading notes So with this, that's all for today. Thank you, students.